Many Indonesian businesses think contracts are just templates you download online, but using generic agreements is one of the fastest ways to lose money, lose protection, and lose your business. Most template agreements don't match Indonesian legal requirements, and when a dispute happens, those contracts often can't protect you. Risk number 1: invalid terms. Many templates contain clauses that are unenforceable under Indonesian law, especially for employment, partnerships, and suppliers. Risk number 2: no legal remedies. Generic contracts rarely include clear dispute resolution, penalty clauses, or jurisdiction, making it nearly impossible to act when something goes wrong. Risk number 3: ambiguous language. Vague wording leads to misunderstandings, and misunderstandings lead to money lost. A proper agreement should protect your business, not put it at risk. Custom contracts ensure the terms fit your operations, your risks, and Indonesian legal standards. So how do you fix these risks? Simple. Get your contracts drafted or reviewed by professionals before you sign anything important. At Portcorp, we help businesses create valid, compliant, and enforceable contracts, from employment agreements to vendor partnerships and corporate documents. Protect your business the right way. If you want legally solid agreements, Portcorp can help.